I got a bad switch on the vacuum down there. I've taken it apart to get it ready to prepare to show you how I'm going to attempt to fix it. I've never done this before, but I'm going to try to fix the switch or rig it so it can function again. The engine sounded fine, it was just the power, so I'm going to do this in the sun right now and get a little sun. Here we go. Okay, what we have here is a bunch of Allen head wrenches. So we got our Allen head. We're going to put on our safety glasses just to make sure we don't get any shrapnel in our face here, and we're going to blow out these outside screws here real quick. I got 15-minute uploads on Facebook Facebook. I got 15-minute uploads on YouTube. Uh-oh, we got a malfunction here. Tried to have everything ready, but it seems like we got a different size screw here. What the? Oh my god. Okay, timeout. Timing it out. We got a whole bunch of other wrenches here. It should have been the same one. I don't know what happened. Anyway, okay, so we're going with wrench number 2, which will be oh boy, and of course it's jammed in there. So let's try this one. How the heck do they want you to use this? Let's try this. Okay, so we got this here now, and we're going to try to blow this out. Of course, we got the wrong size again. That one was too small, and the next one is, of course, too big, too small. This is not a good video, but that's why we got 15 minutes. So, how about this one? That feels good. Okay, we got something here. And here we go again. Coming back out with the screws. There's a really wide thread on the screw, so they actually come out twice as fast as a standard screw. The threads are very wide apart. It's not a tight threaded thing there. I've got about four of these screws that are kind of on the top here. I'm hoping that these are going to be the screws that actually lock the thing down in there, and that way I don't really want to take apart all the screws that are on this thing. I'm going to get the ones I think are holding this cap together, and then I will try to take this apart. Let's see, we got nothing yet. Okay, just keep taking screws out. Keeping taking screws out and enjoying the sun. Got the safety glasses on in case we have an accident. We only have one pair of eyes. That's two. That's one left eye and one right eye. Couple more screws here. It's a good vacuum. What is it? A DeWalt. The yellow and black are usually DeWalt brand. Shop Vac, actually. My bad. We can't always go on base past information. I went on past information thinking that DeWalt was always yellow. So I have some DeWalt tools. They come from Home Depot originally. But apparently Shop Vac. Shop Vac. Okay, there's the switch that's bad. Sounds good. Coming back, coming back. Okay, I got power on. Switch is not working. Powering it off. Just wanted to double check. Now to find the right Allen wrench. Got a couple more screws here. I'm not sure why this thing isn't even freaking loose yet. 15-minute YouTube video allowance for me, so we're going for it. I got 3 more screws. 1, 2, 3. It's a deep one. I hope this works. This is a lot of sun. Are we in the picture? I don't know. Does it matter? It doesn't matter. This is the first time I've attempted a switch repair. I don't know, shop vac. I may have attempted it in the past, but I have a little memory issue where I remember everything I don't want to and nothing that I want to. But when I need to fix things, it seems to be there without thought. It's like a thoughtless procedure. The more I think, the more trouble I get in. I just do things as they come along, and I don't know, it's pretty simple. The law of least effort. You know, take care of it when it needs to be done. Don't force anything. Don't try to change anything from what it is. You know, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Alright, now there we go. Okay, we've got separation. I've got my switch here, which seems to be working. Let's try it again. No, we have no power. Next thing is to get my tester. Are we in there? Okay, we've got a testing unit. We're going to try to hit these wires here. Try to hit these wires here and see if we've got any power. I don't know really how to use this. My buddy gave it to me. AC, DC. AC, the wall is AC. Batteries are DC. So, I don't know, let's put it there. And we take the black one and the red one. Take the black one and the red one. Nothing. Throw the switch. Nothing. Okay, going to my binoculars. Nothing. Changing my switch. There we go. Off. On. We got something going on in there. I mean, we got numbers moving. Okay, so we got some numbers moving there. 121 volts AC. 120. Oh, 120. We need 220. No, 120. That's right. So we're doing okay. What's going on here is we got a bad switch, I think. Okay. Unplug it so I don't shock myself. Turn this off. Get her out of the shade. We just popped that right off of there. Trying to figure out how to jimmy rig this thing out of here. Okay, well, grabbed the plug with the pliers and I was able to pull it out of here. Make sure you're unplugged. And then I'm going to, looks like we got a wire here that was off a little bit. If I can get that wire back on. That may have been the problem, I don't know. Got the needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers, because we got a one of these little metal clips has come off here. So I'm going to try to put that clip back on there. It's kind of short, so it's not easy. Okay, that's on, that's on. Everything seems to be on. We're going to plug it in again and try it again. We did it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to take up your time to, got a little sweat going here. Always wear your safety glasses. I'm not going to take the time to show you, any much more, but the problem, oh shit. The problem was right there. Right there. That was the problem. One of those switches one of those plug tabs was off the connector. So success in fixing my shop vac. Stoked. First time ever attempting it, but like I say, man, as long as I don't try to force anything, try to just follow the path that's put before me, everything will reveal itself and come to be in a good way. More times than not. Don't force it, allow it. Find allowance in your life and let the sun shine.